Hello viewers, in today's video we are going to dive into the act of drawing bubble letters A to I. First of all, we draw a single simple line of the alphabets A to I before we can now begin the actual drawing of the bubble letters. Let's start with the letter A. Nice and bold. I am curving the lines to make it pop like a bubble. Next is B. Two round shapes on the front side. Make sure the curves are smooth and even. Now for the letter C, just a big open curve in a bubble manner. Here comes D. Straight line down, then a big round curve, like half a donut. Letter E has straight arms. Just bend them a little to keep it fun. Make the middle line shorter to give it that cartoon style. F is like E, but without the bottom arm. Keep it bold so it stands out. G is a bit tricky. Starts like a C. Then add a small line inside. Make it fun and round. H is easy. Two lines and a bridge in the middle. And finally, I. Just a single thick line. At this point, we can now clean off the single line alphabets we drew initially. Thanks for watching. Do well to like and subscribe to my channel and also share to others who enjoy artistic drawing.